Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I have a scrapbook haul for you or a junk journal haul. This could also be used in creative journals, creative art journals, anything like that. And a lot of this would also be good for craft fair projects. Okay, so let's hop into this. But first, let me tell you, it's coming from Michael's, Walmart, and Amazon. Okay, all right, the first thing I picked up is this Christmas Noel Recollections paper from Michael's. They have their new paper pads out. They have several. This is the only one I picked up. This is the 12 by 12, has 29 designs, and they're double-sided. They also have, I think it's the 6 by 6 or the 8 by 8. I'm not sure. It's one of the two, but I didn't get it. Now, this is 121 pounds, so let's look at this. The first page has this beautiful candy paper. Is that not beautiful with those mints wrapped? I love it. Then this is not double-sided. The other paper that they have is double-sided, but this is not, okay? So you get 2 sheets of the candy wrapper. Then I loved this snow. Look at that snow. Just little snow flurries. It's so pretty. And then it's really like a green stripe. I think that's very pretty. I wish these had been double-sided, but they're not, but that will still work. Then they had these really pretty gold foil background and then these white Christmas trees. I think that is so beautiful. Like I said, you get 2 sheets of each. Then I loved this check. It just reminds me of like a candy Christmas. Is that not beautiful? I love the red and the green and the pink like stripes. Then check this one out. It's so perfect for Christmas. It's that beautiful red, kind of distressed background, and then it has those snowflakes on the top. I love it, okay? Then, I always love a good candy cane print, and that's what this is. I love it. It is so perfect for Christmas. Then we get the holly. I think that holly is really pretty, and this paper is a pretty good weight. I do like that. Then you get your little cut-aparts that you could make postcards out of these if you wanted. Look at that, old-fashioned candy canes, handmade, 5 cents. Then you have this with like a Starbucks cup, the big peppermint, and the trees with the snow. You get 2 pages of that. This is almost like a retro pad, and I loved it. Look at those stripes with the stars. Everything is reminding me of candy canes. I love candy canes. All right, and then here is this. That looks like a sweater material in there. And then those beautiful trees. And some of them have different types of ornaments. Is that not beautiful? Then I liked this. It's just like with the different types of snow, like flurries really on here. The big round ones, then the little ones. I loved it. Then here's some really small cut-aparts. Peppermint Express. It's peppermint season, meant to be. Look at all this. I love it. Okay, look at that, how dimensional with that gold foiling. Then here is this. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with this paper pad. It would make gorgeous craft fair projects, like I said, or be beautiful in junk journals or anything. Then we have this, like mint. Look at that, it's so pretty. And I love that they added pink, green, and red in this. And then the wrappers are that light pink. And once again, that looks like a sweater or a burlap material in the back. Then this is just as cute as it can be. I love, and it's not really coming across so much on camera, but this is a darker burgundy, and this is a red. And then that is a light pinkish red. It's beautiful. And that same background I was telling you about. Then this is repeating here. And then we have this. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Then we have this. It's just that pretty red paper with all the snowflakes down in them, various sizes. Then we have some more, like a candy cane stripe, but this one isn't as vibrant, and it still has that design right in there. Check this out. I love this. The peppermints, and then the little coffee cups, and once again, they're keeping that same theme of that material in the background. Check these little cut aparts. Once again, 2 pages. Look at that. Happy holidays. Look, those look like tickets. Stop and smell the peppermint. Peppermint wishes. 'Tis the season to be sweet. Merry Christmas. Then we go into this with the pink snowflakes with that kind of distressed background. I love this. There's that fabric look again with this around it with the holly in the corner. Beautiful. Then we have this version where it kind of reminds me of sheet music in a way, but it's the stripes with the stars and the snow. Then we have some gold foiling stripes. Then we have this, that's pink with the peppermints. And then look at these tags, how beautiful they are. Perfect for a junk journal, or like I said, a craft fair project or creative art journal. Then check this out. I love that plaid. It's so pretty. And then look, you could actually make a advent calendar out of this. Is that not beautiful? I love that. It's so pretty. Okay, and that was everything that's in this month, the Christmas Noel. Okay, I love this. All right, then they have these little Recollections ephemera. This goes with the Christmas Noel paper pad that I just picked up. All right, and you get 24 printed cardstock, 8 printed vellum, 8 printed acetate. So let's check this. All right, you get the Santa right here. He's acetate. That deer is to die for. I'm filming this after dark, so if it seems to be not as good quality as normal, there's not much I can do about it. I have my ring lights on, but there are those. Then check out that bow. Is that not gorgeous? Look at the holly and the bow. Then this just says Merry Christmas. It's gorgeous. Look at these gloves with that bow. It's beautiful. Then it says, oh, what fun. And then this is like vellum, merry and bright. Then this ornament is vellum. Then we have an acetate bow again. That dog, look at that poodle, vellum. The tree is vellum. The little deer is vellum. Another bow is vellum. That bow is vellum. Then you have that little kitten in a stocking. Then this big Santa, he's vellum. Those poodles are vellum. These gloves are vellum. That's vellum. Oh, check these out. Vellum. That's really cute. Vellum. Vellum. That is vellum. Look at that. Now this is, wait, I take it back. This right here is cardstock. Cardstock and cardstock. Look at that ornament, cardstock. All these remaining ones are cardstock. And I love them. They're so pretty. Fa la la. The most wonderful time of the year. That little kitten is just precious. A bow. Look at that. Here is this. That is super cute. Okay. So that's everything that was in the Christmas Noel. All right, then I picked up the Christmas Noel, this one, and this is what is inside of this. And I thought it was really cute. You get 18 pieces, vinyl die cut stickers. All right, let's look at this one. Look at those deer. You get 2 of them. These bells are gorgeous. Merry and bright. Two of the little kitten, and then two of these that say Happy Holidays. That was in the first little section. All right, then you get this wreath, and that is a large wreath. Look at that Santa. Oh my gosh, look at those trees with those ornaments. And then Merry Christmas. Then the last thing from Michael's I picked up were these. They are stickers, but I thought they looked, let me take it out of here so you can see it good. I thought these looked like really pretty brooches. And if you look here, I don't know if you can tell, you hear that noise it makes? It's kind of holographic. I mean, it moves. The bow, can you see that? The deer's bow moves and disappears and moves. They all change. Look, that gets a bow, then it doesn't. No dog, and then a dog. No kitty cat, and then there's the kitten. And he doesn't have holly, and he does. So I thought these would be perfect. You'll have to stick around to see what I do with them. Okay, we'll run to Walmart really quickly. I was in their Christmas section and I saw these 4 mini ornaments, and I love the nutcrackers. They are a good size, as you can see. And I thought you could turn these into really pretty dangles on like a junk journal or an altered mini golden book. Oh, it would be gorgeous. And then I picked this composition book up at Walmart because the front is thinner, and that's what I wanted. I wanted a really thin, it's pen and gear. I wanted a very pliable composition notebook. Now we'll go to Amazon. I picked up these Hershey playing cards. These are adorable. And I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find. But I thought these would be a beautiful addition into some ephemera, either for a junk journal or, like I said, an altered golden book. But this is the Joker. Look, that's Payday. I'll just flip through them like this. Hershey's. This is so yummy. If you know somebody even that loves to play cards and they love chocolate, this is the set to give them. And this just looks like delicious chocolate. But look at that. Bubble Yum. All these. You might be able to hear my great niece in the background playing. They're visiting and she is having a blast. So I picked these up. Then I picked up this PVC jewelry bag, and I cannot wait to show you what I do with these. You'll have to stay tuned, but they're just little bags. And I think we are going to have so much fun working on this. You get, I think you get 100 in here. 100 pieces, yeah you do, okay? So this is going to be so much fun. Then I picked up these beads. And I have some ideas for this that is going to be beyond adorable. Look at this. Look how cute. These are going to make the cutest little embellishments. And now she's sleepy. If you can hear her, she is having a fit. But look at this. I love them. They're so beautiful. Look at that. It's a little boy. A bow. Look at this. These cherries are adorable. I just love these. Totally. So I picked these up. And we'll have to wait to see what I do with these. We may work with these Friday. Then I picked this up. It is the Retro Mini Brands. And I wanted the retro specifically. So let's open this. I'm going to open these with you. You get 2 to a container. And these can make the cutest dangles for your junk journals. They really can. So I'm going to set this one over here. All right, let's see what I got out of this. I love to open these. It's so much fun. Okay, let's see. And like I said, these are the retro ones. I'm not sure what that is, but that would make a beautiful charm. Let's see if it says what that one is. Get this little paper. Oh, a Betty Crocker cookbook would have been like super awesome. Oh, this is from Revlon. I'm not sure what it is, but it's Revlon, okay? Because it says right there. Let's see what this one is. Oh, I was hoping I would get this. Haribo. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful charm that will turn out to be. And this one, oh my gosh, look at that Armor All. And I'm going to show you how you can turn these into charms later. Okay. Oh my gosh, look, the mini Kodak camera. Oh my, I can't stand it. This is going to be so much fun. I love miniatures anyway, and I love vintage and retro. Oh look, a Scotch cassette. Oh, I love it. Okay, that was everything that was in that first one. Now let's see what's in this one of the mini brand. See what this one has. Has the same little paper. Like I said, this was a 2-pack. Okay, here's what's in this. Oh, you're kidding me. A composition, a me composition notebook. I can't even stand it. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh, Denny Moore beef stew. All right, what is in this one? Perfume bottle, Charlie. Oh, these are going to make some really cute dangles. Okay, we've got 2 more things to open. Oh my gosh, hot tamales. Fiery cinnamon flavored candies. Oh my. All right, here's my last one. Wonder what it'll be. The Pringles potato chip can. I wanted that so bad. And I got it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is everything that I found from Michael's, Walmart, and Amazon for junk journaling. Like I said, you can make junk journal tags. You can make junk journal charms. You can alter the little golden books with like this. You can also use them, like I said, in like a creative journal or a creative art journal. I just love everything, and I love these little mini brands. They are adorable, and like I said, I'm so happy that I got the Pringles can. I'm beyond myself. You'll have to stick around and see what I do with these. I think this Friday we may make some charms. I don't know. We'll see. If you enjoyed this junk journal haul or scrapbook haul, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.